Hi guys, my name is Nicole and I want to share something with you today. It is a pet peeve. I'm sorry guys, but I'm here to help you, and I want to share with you that your Facebook cover page may be being seen as cut off. When people look at it on their mobile device, they may not be getting all the information on your Facebook cover page that you think you're showing them. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So I'm using the program Canva. It is a quick and easy program. You can use it to create really beautiful social media posts. Hopefully you're using it. It's very user-friendly. Canva.com, and we're going to go under templates, and for today we're going to go under Facebook cover template. Everything is already pre-sized exactly the way you need it to be. So we're going to go to our blank cover. Oop. Now, naturally, when you're designing your Facebook cover page for your business, you're thinking, okay, here's my canvas. I want to fill this canvas because I want to maximize my space, maximize the visual for my Facebook page. So for this, it's not exactly true, because what is being seen on your Facebook when it's being viewed on a desktop version versus what's being seen on your mobile version is actually different. So here is how you may think you want to do your design. Side to side, top to bottom, filling up all the space. But that is how it will look on a desktop version. But how it will look on your mobile version is actually like this right here, with the sides cut off. Because the mobile version is more condensed. It's more the size of the phone. So see, my call to action is cut off, my face is cut off, my name is cut off. It just doesn't look so good. It's like something went wrong there. So what I do when I design my Facebook covers is I leave a nice space on the left and right side. And so I, of course, still want to fill it with my background color design, but I want to keep all my information that's important, that I want my potential business partner to be reading, to be all down the middle, more or less. So maybe you guys are like me, like 90% of my business is all through a mobile device, not through a desktop device. So if that's the same with you, then, people could be missing your page because they're not getting all the information. So see, since I've done these columns on the right and left side, that is this one here. That's what that looks like on my phone. I just did screenshots. So this is how it was before when I filled it. This is how it is after I condensed it to the middle. Okay, so it's better. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really simple. I don't know if this is, you could have a better way. This is the way I do it. So here's my Facebook cover page template. I go over here to Elements, and I will just type in rectangle, and then go. I grab a rectangle, and I put it to the side, and now I just use this to create some guidelines so I know what parameters I'm working within. So I'm going to go copy, paste, and bring that over to this side. And now I know those borders on either side are exactly the same size. So then I work within this area here. Now there's no exact measurement or even a ruler to tell you exactly what size this middle space should or should not be. So that's where you're going to have to do a little bit of trial and error. You're going to want to do your design in the middle, download it, save it, then go to your phone, look at what it looks like on your Facebook page, and if you need to make any adjustments right here, any tweaking in or out, then you can do so, and then just resave it again. And that's about it, guys. But I see this a lot, and so I thought I should address it, because I just don't think that people are aware of it, and I hope it's helpful. So I have a few more other Canva video tutorials. If you want to check them out, they're on my Facebook page, Nicole Kimberly. You can leave me a message if there's something that you're interested in learning about, or if you have any questions, I'd be happy to help. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.